Hello, my name is Jian and welcome back to the training course for SQL Server. Okay, so today we will continue with the day 4. I will talk about how to programming with view and store procedure in SQL Server. The agenda is, firstly I will talk about view and next one I will talk about the store procedure. Okay, so let's get started. I go ahead to open the SQL Server Management Studio tool. And we continue with the learn sequence DB. We have two tables in the category and the second one is product. And now I go ahead to create a new query here. I have to select the learn sequence DB. Okay, make it bigger. Okay, so firstly, it should talk about view. Second, pro. Okay, so in the sequence server, a view here with a table based on the resources of a sequence server statement. A view contain a row and column just like a real table. The field in a view are field from one or more real table in the database. Okay, so when you working in the in a project, so you have to write a script. It is very long. So in this write it is writing the very long query into the code. You are able to create a view in SQL Server. So after that, you just call a name of view. It is writing the very long script. Okay, so now we go ahead to show the demo. In order to create a view, you have to know. Firstly, you create view, and we have to provide a view name. I will call it is product. Okay, so now basically when you write a script, if you want to get the data from the product table, you just write the script is select star from product and try to execute it. Here you are able to see all of the data of it in this table. So if the script it is very short here, so you are able to include it into the shortcode. But if you very long here, you shouldn't include it in the shortcode. So now you go ahead to create the view and add. You execute it here, and after that you open the view here and refresh. Okay, learn view. We have a view block here. So now just in this calling directly from into the block table, you just call it from the view. Select from view. You view this one. Yes, it will return the same thing when you add. You will select directly from the table. Okay, so now you are able to delete this one, and now I will show you how to create a view using the designer. So right click on view and new view. You select the product here. Add. You are able to select the multiple table here by press the shift on your keyboard and select any table you want to add. Okay, so the product here, you check to the own column. It will select all of the is equal the star character. You name is view 1, for example. Just close it and refresh it here. You can select start from view 1, execute it, it will return the same. Okay, so when you create the view by using the designer, it will be faster. But before you using the designer for creating the view, you should know how to create by the script, so it will be better for you later. Okay, you able to. Okay, so when you, for example, you have the view product here, and now you want to update the script here. How to do it? The SQL Server is support the feature is enter. So that means you are able to update the existing view by replace or additional script into the existing view. So now I will go ahead to combine the data between product and category into one table. Okay, try to select it first on. Okay, work file, and now I will use the enter. It is a period, so now update it. Column in each field must be unique. Okay, so if we here we have double category, it is not unique, so we should specify which column you want to display here. Okay, run it. Okay, enter it here, successful. So now you just go ahead to select this view. Okay, here. Okay, so when you take a look into the view, in this only return the data from a single table or a combination of the multiple table. But now, if you want to get the how to get the result dynamically. So here, if you want to get the data of the first records with product ID 1, so I have to hard code the product ID equal 1 here. So that mean you are using the view in my project. When I want to get the data of the product with product ID 1, I have to create the first view is view product 1, and another view is view product 2, for example. So that means we have a lot of view in the project. That is not good idea. So in this using view, in this case I have to use the store procedure to create a dynamic query. Okay, so now I will temporarily delete this one. I will talk about to the store prop. Okay, so for example, now I just create the thing procedure view from a single table. The same thing when you are working with view. The Okay, so the syntax for creating the stop procedure here is the create sorry block procedure, or you can call it the block. It is the same. Name is sp product at like product. Okay, now just go ahead to execute this. Okay, complete. And now how to call the stop procedure. We have execute and product. Okay, so it looks like the same thing in view. And now okay, and now I will pass the parameter for into this stop procedure. So that means we are able to get the dynamic data from this table. And important thing here is the real power of stop procedure here is the ability to pass the parameter and have the status procedure handle the differing requests that are made. We are able to pass one or multiple parameter in a stop procedure, and here you are able to write the query using the if else or something like that into the into the procedure. So I will talk it in another video for more detail. Okay, so now if you already have this this stop procedure in product and how to update it. Okay, so now we will write a script to update it. Mm, okay, so firstly we will refresh this one and take a look into the program mobility. You select into the stop procedure here. Yeah, this one is the stop procedure created by me. You are able to click on the modify. Yeah, it also supports the keyword enter to update the existing procedure. Yes, it's the same thing with the view. It did a great we enter. Okay, so now I want to pass some. Now I want to use where here for the example ID for example one. I can get the data of product ID one. So if I want to get the data of 5, we have to write another script. It's not a good idea. So now I will create a parameter to pass the product ID is dynamically. I will name it with a character first. So we name it product ID. It should be integer. Here, okay. Okay, so if you execute the stop block name here with the previous, so it will display error. So you have to provide the data of product ID parameter. For example, here one execute, yes, it will display the dynamic here. File, yes. So when you using this stop procedure in the code, so you just call this name and pass the value of parameter here. After that, you will send the request to the SQL Server database, and it will return the result to you. Okay, so you are able to pass the multiple parameter here. So for example, I pass is a product name. It should be an varchar. For example, here. And update it. Yes. So now pass the value of parameter here. That it will return the no result. Okay, because we don't have the product name is that. So for now I don't remember exactly the name of the product file, so I have to open the product table here to view file in the iPhone 7 red. Execute again. Yes, you can get exactly the data from the database with the product ID file and the product name is iPhone 7 red. Okay. Okay, so I think that's enough for today. And after you finish this course, you know how to use the view and store procedure for programming. The view is that is the virtual table of SQL Server. It look like the physical table. When you want to write the script using when you want to combine the combination data from multiple table and the script very long, you don't want to write a very long script into the code, so you use a view in this. And when you want to pass the dynamic data for, when you using view, it will return all of the data from the table beyond the query. And if you want to just get a path data from that query, so you should use the store procedure. It will return the data for exactly what you have sent request to the server. Okay, so you are able to pass multiple parameter you, to the store procedure. So that it will helpful for you. Okay, so I hope this will helpful and feel free to let me know if you have any question. Bye bye. See you later.